Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to change screen refresh rate on Android 16. So first let's unlock the phone. Now here let's go to settings and let me quickly disable the battery saver. Now let's go over to display and touch, and here we need to scroll down until we see the smooth display setting. Now it's at 60 Hz and now it's at 120. So basically here you guys can change the screen refresh rate from 60 to 120, and that'd be it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment. It means a lot to us, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.